Hey, how are you? Thank you so much for being here with me today, as I know that women hold the keys to changing their world, to changing the communities they live in, and to changing their piece of the world, and to do all of this in a natural, holistic way. So thank you so much for being here with me. I am Colleen Fletcher, and today I'm going to talk just a little bit about the LBD sun. I had it brought to my attention that it was a hard one to do. Someone purchased this online, and I did not talk with them beforehand about how to use this product. So I am making a video to help with that. So that's what we're going to do. This one is the one. This is my personal one, and I've used it quite a bit. It has the sponge applicator to it. What I personally love about it, and what most of my clients really enjoy with it, is the fact that you can just like chuck it in your purse, or for me, I chuck it in my backpack when I'm hiking because it's lightweight, it's small, has a little mirror on it even, so that's perfect. And that way I don't have a ton of extra weight when I'm doing longer hikes. So that's what I love about this one. And with that sponge applicator, everything is there all together. Now with that, I understand it can be a little bit rough in the beginning to figure out how to use this one, because the product itself is triple milled. So it's super, super fine. So what it seems like is you're not getting any coverage at all. But if done in this way, then you do get coverage. I promised you get some great, great coverage with it. It just takes a little bit to get used to it. So the first thing, and it's going to be hard on mine because it's already got it here, but I'll show you, on this part here, where there's no product that has come through, yours will come looking like that. And what you do is you just tap it on the bottom end toward that, and you'll see it'll start to come through like that. Okay, and it takes a bit to get it to the level that mine is, but you just keep working with it. So that's the first way you can tell that it is actually on the applicator. Now, once it's already come through and it's like mine and you can't tell anymore through the applicator, yeah, you can see it. Awesome. See how there's a little bit on that inside bit there? That's what you want to do, is to get that part of it showing up again. And then that shows you that there has been more that has come through the applicator. Okay, so that's the first bit. Now, for applying this, I don't just recommend just going like this. I want a little bit of a tap and movement that way with it. You might try also to make sure that if you have just put on your like moisturizers, to maybe make sure that it is absorbed in well enough. Otherwise, it's just going to look like kind of a streak like that with it. Okay, so you tap it out first. Make sure that you can see some that has come out, and then you do a sweeping tapping type of motion for yourself to get that on. Okay, I'm so happy that you're here with me. Yay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. If you have more questions about this product, by all means reach out. I have this in 2 other applications as well, because I realized that with this, people want to have, there's so many different ways to use it, and you're set on how you want to use your application for it, right? So I have a couple different ways to do that. And again, if you need help, reach out. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'm Colleen Fletcher. You can find this information on my website, colleen-fletcher.com. And you can always leave comments, because we always love comments and such like that, okay? All right, have a brilliant day. Talk soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.